Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to turn off automatically off a screen. This is very easy and simple method. One or two steps we can know how to turn off automatically screen off. First of all, here you see type here to search, click on it and here you type settings. Then press enter. Then here you see system, click on it, then scroll down and here you see power and sleep, click on it and here you see screen on battery power, turn off after, here you select never, when plugged in, turn off after, here you select never. That's it. It's very easy and simple method. One or two steps we can know how to turn off automatically screen off in PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not.